XRP going crazy. Screaming Mayday. La da 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 dee da. Oh, it's a beautiful day.
She was pretty cool for the time. She would like
XRP.
something on my mind. Really wasn't her though. Now
XRPP.
Funny how the tides are fucking turned though.
You done do me dirty, sipping on this 40, birdie.
No longer my shorty, you just gotta leave him. I just gotta breathe in. Kept you different seasons. Now I'm fucking leaving. Yo, take a couple shots when she next our heads.
Yeah. XRP go brrr. Brrr.
Screaming Mayday, this Mayday gon' drive me crazy. Need a vacay for 4 weeks, won't bring no lady. Just some hoes with the go who really don't need me. Finna party, but Cardi be all on me. Screaming Mayday, this Mayday gon' drive me crazy. Need a vacay for 4 weeks, won't bring no lady. Just some hoes with the go who really don't need me. Finna party, but Cardi be all on me. Need some hill bitches, real women. Need stiletto hill women, all on top the real. And there's no hotel and free women. Chop them up, but they got too much snow. I need an ice pick. Flyer than a rocket, cause I'm flying really high, bitch. When I give a dick, I hear my name is at a high pitch. I've been working hard, this on the brothers gotta die rich. Smile until you die, kid. Make your mama quite rich. Working all the time, but I know I'm just finna die shit. Took a couple shots when she next our head.
Music, what a fucking bitch.
Sitting in this chair, snap a bag, I'm pissed.
Yeah. You got XRP at 29. Hey. What's it at now? XRPZ. XRPZ. Oh, it's at $1. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. What's up, Opposite? Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you, Muhammad. All on me. Simple trader, yeah. Sway. Was it Sway? Mark. Yeah. What's up, guys? Good morning, Asia. Good evening, New York. And good night, London. Yeah, let's listen to Warzone here. No, Intoxicated. Let's do this one. Yeah. Yeah, 1 a.m. in the UK. Yeah, I do this a little bit late for Euro there, hey? Yeah, it's nearly 1 a.m., eh? Yeah. It's pretty dang late. I could do a New York stream one day. I could do some New York stream, like London close, maybe, too. I could do London close. After I wake up, like, a little bit. I could do London close, yeah. Maybe I'll do some London close streams one day. I'm not streaming London open. No chance. I wake up for an hour at that time, basically. Yeah, I used to do it in, like, mid-London, yeah, because I would stay up all night. But now I sleep. I sleep in between the sessions. So that I can be awake during the day. And I can trade 2 hours each session. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, Margaret doesn't sleep. That's why we sleep in between the opens. Yeah, the sweep method's really good for beginners. Yeah, opposite trader. Really good for beginners. It's very simple, though. The sweep reclaim. So simple. You should grow on that. That is the very intro to liquidity hunting. There's so much more to know. All right. Boo. Oh, just good to see you guys. Yeah. Alright, we're just snowboarding here today, guys. Snowboard season, there's only 3 days left, so I'm going to go up every single day for the snowboard season until it's shut down. Hair's still a little bit wonky. I got no time for haircuts. When you're trading and you're snowboarding, there's no time for haircuts, eh? No time for social life either. Okay. Let's put the fucking stream beats on. Hip-hop? Hip-hop stream beats, I think. Yeah, we'll do some hip-hop. Hippity-hop it. Hippity-hop it is. Okay, cool. You don't trade the Asia because the spread is too high. It shouldn't be high on the Euro or the Asia pairs. The Euro dollar and the Asian pairs shouldn't be too high if you're doing near the open. How's that? Is that a little bit loud or what? Caught the stream again finally, almost 2 a.m. Yeah, dude, pretty fucking late. All right. Yeah, Asia Open here in 5 minutes. So, yeah, does sweeping work for gold? Sweep works for everything, dude. It's logic. Use logic. Doesn't matter what you're trading. So, Bartcoin. We did take a trade there the other day, I think. Yesterday. Bartcoin rising back up. That, you know, you guys heard about that? What is that? The fucking pie cross top whatever thing? The top pie, toppy pie, tipsy toppy pie, pie tippers. Yeah, you know that shit? The moving average pie cross things. Pizza pie, pumpkin pie, I don't know. Those moving averages, that's fucking bullshit. I'll tell you that right now. Nobody is gonna follow that with big money. Why would you follow something that everybody is looking at? No big money is gonna do that. The other thing to make note of is at all of those previous points where it crossed over, right? Way back whenever, right here, when the moving average like crossed here, it went parabolic. Is this parabolic? No. So it's not gonna be a top. This is not a top. This is consolidation. It has to parabolic first for it to be a top, right? Music's a little bit loud. Okay. Turn it down a little bit there. That's a little bit louder there, or a little bit quieter there. All right, so that's your advice on Bitcoin here. Is it's not going to drop off until it starts going parabolic. That is the case always with Bitcoin. Bitcoin will just continue to keep going higher as long as it's staircasing. But once we get that parabolic move, that's when things start selling off, right? So what I'm hoping for here is one quick parabolic move here, coming up to about, 70, 80. And then people are going to think we're bullish again, and then I'm going to take a bunch of profits and we're going to dive back down to 40K, right? Because this is still untested. This guy got tested here, right? On that test. Right? So we're still untested at 40K. So if we want a 50% drop, 80K is going to be the perfect number for that, right? And that is roughly, if we look at the BLX here, look at what did we get in the, because we're trying to assume that this is going to be similar to the first market cycle where it did a very fast one, gave a retracement for a couple months. I'm assuming it's going to be something similar to this. How much of a percentage decrease do we get here? Oh shit, hey, 70. Dang. What was this one? Okay, so we could even go higher than 80K and then drop all the way to 40K. Hey, what is this one? This is 80. Yeah, and this one was also 80, I believe. Right? Yeah, 83 also. Yeah. So I'm thinking this could actually go up even higher and then drop us off. It could go to 100K, drop us off to 40K. That's going to be a 60% drop. And that's going to really cause panic. And then we're going to blast off for another move up, right? And get another triple from 40K, something like that. Quadruple even maybe, right? Moving averages are good if you know how to use them. Yeah, they're sparingly good. They're used in some situations sometimes, and they're sometimes right. Right, let's not look at stocks. Let's look at Forex. The foreign exchange market. Excuse me. So, just so you guys know, I have had a perfect week. So, I got 1 day left of this week. Am I gonna fuck it up? Probably. I'm probably gonna have a loser and fuck it up at the last minute. I've had 8 trades this week, all winners. We're sitting at about 16R. That's not normal, by the way, guys. Not normal. But fantastic, to say the least. We took a trade here on the London Close and on the New York Open. The New York Open, I did not actually get all out here. I was targeting just a little bit lower, and I closed half of it, and then we got stopped at just behind break even. So we made a slight profit on this one. And the reason being because I wanted to get a short here. You can see the higher time frames. The daily was really rejecting off this zone, right? And then the 4 hour, we also saw this huge rejection, the sweep of these levels, and then dump back down here. So there was a good chance on the New York Open that we would dump here, so we took the short, right? But as we see here, I then switched long after we had the weekly bias, the daily bias, all generally long, and then we had this massive bullishly candle, right? See this one here? That move with the giant wick on the bottom and the huge bullish close, I was like, this is going up for sure. So once we saw an opportunity where we said, hey, look at this shit. Ain't that some shit? Look at this shit, right? Range being made, obvious hunt, right? And then we moved right back into it. We entered on a retest, right? And then we rocketed back up, shut for the 2R, got the 2R. Right. Use a little fibby poo here just to see. But, are the haters getting more saltier since I'm not losing? They just believe me less, that's all, dude. Once something has been attached to your mind, it's very hard to change your opinion on something, because humans are fucking stubborn. So once you say that you know, Hunter's a little bish, right? Then Hunter's forever gonna be a little bish until he proves time and time again that he's not no bish. He fights bears. He fights bears with his bull hands and bulls with his bear hands. He no will bitch. Right? Oh God. Yeah, you can tell I'm having a good week, hey? Just the fucking jokes, hey? So yeah, this was a very obvious move. Pulled it back, got the 2R. Reason why I shot for the 2R, this level here, was the 4 hour. Right, the 4 hour breaker, or sorry, the 4 hour supply zone, right? That's where it went to. Just pulled it in a little bit, right? So something like that. I'm thinking not hip hop here. I don't want hip hop here today. I want lo-fi. Yeah. A little bit of elevator. Yeah. All right, guys. So bias is probably still long. Let's take a peek. What do we want to do here? Actually, no. I'm I'm torn. I'm probably not going to take a trade here today. Unless I see something perfect, then I'm very much happy. I'm not going to force anything. This was the best trading week I have ever had in terms of R. And it wasn't anything to do with luck related. It was 8 trades, not a single one went over 4R. And we were able to get 16R out of it. So not a single fluke there. Everything was done perfectly. So here I'm just concerned. Now we're rejecting here on the daily. The daily closed back within the previous days, right? So I'm bearish on that sense. We also rejecting off this level here, right? I think so. Actually, we might be able to go a little bit higher here too, hey? I mean, this open could bring us up here. The 1 hours are sweeping the bottoms here, the range bottom, retesting that. I mean, this looks good for the bulls, actually. This actually looks really good for the bulls. Oh, I'm just so scared now, guys. You ever play StarCraft 2? You ever play StarCraft 2? I'll read the comments in a section here in a second, by the way, guys. Hit the like button, by the way. You ever play StarCraft 2 and like you get so good at it that you just like keep winning and then you want to stop playing because you're scared that you're gonna lose, right? That's kind of like, it's the same feeling. Like I'm scared I'm gonna lose here now. But this is super good open. We've set up as we need, and we're still untested on the actual level there, right? We did hit the wick. So like this, right? If you look at the 1 minute here, you'll see the range, right? Hunt the range. I think this is going to go to the new highs there right now. I think this is going to go to the highs here. When am I going to Asia? November 1st. I'm going to go to Thailand first. Probably Phuket. This should be the only trading channel allowed on YouTube. The rest are idiots. Opposite traders. So fucking true, hey? You the man. Oh, thanks, Joseph. You say that every day. Alright, look at this one here. I mean, it is blasting off here. I bet it comes back and retests this guy right here, hey? This is all tested everything it needs to. Oh! I don't want to trade it. I don't want to trade it. I don't want to take the trade. 2 reasons is one is I'm honestly scared, and the second is that the daily closed bearish. But we're still in an uptrend. We're still trending up. The 1 hour is looking good. This is gonna go up. It's gonna go up, hey. I just don't want to trade it. The daily is fucking bearish. Cause like, if you look at it like this, here, look. The previous day was super bearish. Like we had this massive wick, and then we closed back below, right? Here, we're not actually breaking new highs. We just wicked some more. We just stopped more people out, and then closed back within that the same previous day, right? So all we did. Where's the daily close here? Daily close like right here, I think. Yeah. It literally closed like right on the fucking... Right? I think so. Yeah, here was the previous day. And it closed below. It dove back down just to get under, right? Mind you, it did test this, so most likely it's going to rally up. So, I mean, it's up to you if you want to take a trade like this. I'm too nervous for it. 1 minute, we're also sweeping here now. But 1 minute's not very strong. Yeah. Oops, so now look, like, if this 5 closes like this, then literally we just swept both sides. We swept the range here and we swept the range here, right? So then it's just torn again. So I think Asia's going to be a little bit indecisive and it's going to stop some people out. But that's just my guess based off of how it's reacting off this level right now. The music was just right, but whatever. Yeah, the hip hop. I'm feeling the lo-fi today. All right, gold plans. I don't look at gold really, dude. Let me turn that shit down. Can you show me where you went wrong? Yeah, I'll look at your chart here. Is this an X code that you sent me, dude? No, I don't think so. I think you sent me the wrong thing. Hey, Hunter, thoughts on this UJ? Let's look at this one. Yeah, UJ here. So very obvious to me is using just what's on your chart here, buddy. First of all, if you're putting your stop behind like a moving average like this, it's a target, right? People often go past moving averages, trend lines, things like this because they know there's liquidity hiding behind them, right? The other thing is this is also untested right here, right? So there's an inefficiency right here. So it could very well go up to here and then actually reject off of this. So this area could be the stop hunt. So what I would do is I would wait and see how the lower time frame acts at this level. And if you're getting a strong rejection at that level, then you might be able to take the trade, right? But you want to look for some sort of hunt, right? Some sort of kill of other people first, right? Because you could very easily be the one getting killed right here because this is where other stops are. Good to see your mindset shifting a bit about how much R you could possibly make consistently. A bit how much. I don't know exactly what you mean by that, John Cole. Good to see you. Thanks. Yeah, my mindset's going pretty well. Doing all right here. I suppose. It's just I'm just focusing a lot on the trading now and trying to blind out everything else, and it's helping. I am woke, yeah. Opposite trader, yeah, totally. What's with the creepy music? Yeah. How do you believe crypto will go for this week? No idea. I think it'll go up, I guess. Nobody knows shit, dude. Right? I can only... Here, look. We've already kind of looked at this. I took a long here on this 4-hour close, right? On Bitcoin. We swept these obvious multi lows here, right? Range, hunting the range lows, going back within. Retest of the breaker, or sorry, the band. A bunch of tops here. This is all going to get hunted, right? So it's going up to 60K again. Just going to go there, probably break down after. But we just don't know to what extent it's going to break up. I just have no idea where it's going to go. But it's going to break this. Tell me you don't have every pair on your watch list. I do. I only trade one pair though. It's just easier for me to click, right? So like if somebody's like, hey, look at AN, then I have AN here. It's just easier for me to organize, right? But I only look at EU. I only trade EU. Forex with a cause. Yeah, yeah. If I provide any value for you guys, just hit the like button, hey. Fucking giggles. Fucking laughing all the time, just hit the like button, hey. That's all you need. You just need somebody to laugh while they stream. Alright, is this the same one? No, it's a different one, hey. Mohammed. EU, hey. Yeah, I'll reject off this zone here. It's kind of what I'm thinking too, right? But I think, okay, so this is what I said, the 5 minute here swept these tops. So now we're just completely torn, aren't we, right? Where's the 1 minute or the 1 hour, 1 minute? So yeah, so now there's pressure on the downside. You can see all these tops being swept, right? So this is why I didn't want to take this trade, because now you're in a torn position here, right? It'd be really dumb to enter here, right? Because just in case. And we don't know for sure if it's going to go up. I have a feeling... Actually, I don't know anymore. I have no idea anymore, so this is why I didn't enter. Because I was pretty sure it was going to do some belligerent shit, hey? Gene Lab? I don't know what Gene Lab is. That's probably a stock. We're in Canada. I'm in Vancouver, yeah. Like Point Grey area of Vancouver. Oh, Gene Lab. Is that somebody's name here? Oh yeah. Would you short GJ right now? Let's look at GJ. Loved the story on Instagram. Fuck you haters. Yeah guys, fucking I was driving back from snowboarding here today. Had a great day, feeling good about the trading. Great day snowboarding, and I was just like, you know what, so many people were giving me fucking shit for losing money, right? We're gambling, we're literally gambling for a living. So all these people, you know, you can watch the story on Instagram there, a link in the description. It's trader.hunter on Instagram, and so many people were fucking giving me shit for not making money always, right? So fuck those people. You know what, it's fucking stressful too when you're being watched. Like, think about your job. Like, what do you do when the boss comes in, you know? What do you do when the boss comes in and just fucking stands over your shoulder? Do you just like seize up and stop working, right? You're just like, what do you want? You're like, you're like uncomfortable. You're like, maybe you're sitting in front of a computer. You're like, I was working, I swear. What do I do now? I forgot what I was doing, right? It's the same shit, right? But like constant with YouTube, right? Would I short this? No. I mean, if we're talking about day trading here, I wouldn't short this right now, no. But yeah, we're in a range like Buddy said there. I would short this. I would short this. I'd short that. In CTI, the funding company. I like it way more than F2 more. Yeah, everyone's got their different, check out my trade. You got 450 pips on EU. Awesome, dude. Alright, let's look at this one again here. Yeah. Breaking down, a little bit. You know what I want to do? Fucking delete all of this shit. Perfect. Why didn't that one get deleted? Let's delete them all. Delete. Okay. Yeah. So, here's the thing. This is why I'm torn, guys. The 4 hour is still strong. It's rejecting off this, and it could go a little bit higher. But it's just 50-50 at this point, I think. So it's a no trade. I'm telling you guys right now that this is not a session I will trade. London has also have been very, very dry. I haven't gotten any trades in London in the past like couple weeks in the London Open. Because actually there's been a few setups, but I only look for the first little bit, right? Because I'm middle of a sleep, so I usually only look from like 11 to like 12:40 ish, and then. But I think New York might have a trade, so we might be able to take one more this week. But there's no trade for today, or for Asia at least, and probably not London either. There's been no setups for London really. I mean, this might have been a good long right here actually, but maybe, only maybe. You was shooting up, yeah, pound shooting up, eh? You guys see this, hey? Yeah, there we go, yeah. This is, first of all, this is gonna hunt here. This is the level to watch for. But this is coming up. Most likely we go high here. Most likely this is a reversal point up to here. Maybe even back to the Monday range, yeah. This would make a lot of sense. A very quick move one day all the way to the Monday range. That's probably what's happening on GU right here. We've already tested this area. Come back down. Breaking in that breaker, or that demand. Yeah, okay. That's where it's going to come up to. Test that untested. That's GU right there. Alright. I'm gonna throw a trade on here. I'm not gonna trade it, but here's the entry, right? Retest. Stops. Already hunted there. Four and a half trade. Hey, night, buddy. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hunter, click the link. Still a long-term sell. You can't post links in here. Links are dangerous, dude. I know enough about fucking network security that links are not something that I want in my stream. So I blocked all links. And dude, like enough people are like trying to fucking hit me with some sort of virus or something. So I literally got VPN and a advanced like a really good antivirus, because I don't want to accidentally do something. I know enough, but I need like extra protection. Like fucking people are, you know, they're trying to get like keyloggers or something on here. And they're so stupid about. There was one guy who was pretty smart. He was pretty smart, but they're so fucking stupid about it. Fucking hackers, dumbasses, man. I swear, man. IT background is like so that it's the perfect fucking background for what I do now. Because so many fucking people are just like. Fucking trying to get in the way. It's so common, dude. Hackers these days. They're just fucking script kiddies most of them. What do you think about this setup? Let's look at it. Oh man, I'm hungry. Oh god, I just got hit with a fucking bag of hunger. B or GN. I think this is terrible. Steel Co. Yeah, YouTube blocks links. I think this is dumb. Script alert dot cookie script. Funny shit, hey. This is dumb. You're doing SR flips, which are very poor in a risk reward scenario, because where are you gonna put your stop, right? You're gonna put your stop below here. Then this is also a liquidity area, right? So you have a poor risk reward. You have a 1-to-1 risk reward basically, because you'd be targeting these highs, and your stop is still susceptible to getting hunted, right? If you're going to be an idiot and just leave your stop susceptible to being hunted, then just use supply and demand and double your risk reward, so you can be wrong twice as much of the time. Mayor M, dude, if you want to send me a chart, send me the X code at the end of these, right? The X code, right? That's how we send charts. Let's look at this guy's one here. Yeah, the other thing is I don't give a shit about channels. They're just abnormalities. They don't mean anything. Yeah, so this guy's a supply and demand trader, right? So he's looking at this supply area, but we're also looking at the liquidity here. So this is a really good option, right? This is something that I've marked out. I mean, I just deleted all the levels, but for the bullish side, this is something I marked out at the beginning of the week, I think, or last week or something, that we had those. And I think we had something else somewhere. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh, up here, way up here? No, that one's used, eh? So this was the one, right? So this is the target for the long side, by the way. So if we do reject here, we're just coming back down here and then we're going up. Right? I mean, we could come down here or something. Like, if we do reject here, we're coming down somewhere and coming. Check. Okay. Okay, I thought my internet was going out again. I woke up this morning and all my internet, Wi-Fi, everything was down. Apparently just like a bunch of servers got reset and they didn't even warn us. Can you imagine if you had something important to do, like your job, in the morning? That's annoying, isn't it? Okay, make sure that we're still going here. Good. Awesome. Yeah, we're good. We're good here. Yeah, I just bumped the fucking dinger here. You know, this guy here. This one here. I bumped it, and oh, look at my mess over there. I got some shoes. Got a glass of water. Just a random blanket. For the outside blanket. Alright, guys. Yeah, I'm fucking hungry, hey? And there's not gonna be any trades here. Let's, okay, music's going again. Yeah, guys. We'll look at a couple more here. Okay, Mayor M has been trying to send me this freaking code for forever. Let me turn this down. So we'll look at this one. What is it? Oh, JM. Yeah, okay. Okay, you want me to critique this or what? April 9th, 2021. What? Okay. So you did a swinger. Yeah, I see what you did here, eh? You just entered on the liquidity, assuming it was going to reject there. Stops behind the previous level. Right here, right? Entered on the liquidity. Alright. Stops behind the previous level. Target. This is the first target. The obvious demand there. I would have said second target here. A little bit untested, and third target would have been down here. Right, yeah, and those are the three. If you can see, these are the three levels I pointed out exactly, right? Right here. Oops. Yeah. So, I think that's exactly what you did, isn't it? You took the first profit a little bit different, but... Those are the three targets, and those are the three areas it bounced on. And, you know, you can do that very, very easily without even looking on this side. You know, you can just figure out where the inefficiencies are. Yeah, you hit all three. Yeah, that's good shit, man. That's a long waiting. I have no patience for that, so... February 26th. Yeah, that's nuts, hey? Hey, look at what's going down here now, hey? It's silly. I mean, this rejected pretty hard. It might come up and retest right here. Most likely, the short one is going to be the one that breaks. Okay? Because it was the most recent. Why do you trade this session? Isn't the market slow? I trade every session open. I trade all three sessions. This is just the only time that's during the day that I can stream, right? The other ones are the middle of the night for me. So I don't want to stream in the middle of the night while I'm tired. Hunter, EU can drop and retest Monday range. Yeah, let me just take a peek here. That's what we were thinking about GU, is GU is going to come back to the Monday range. I think this is super far, though. So, it's not going to do it in one day. It's not going to do it in one day. To get it done by the end of the week. But it could come down for next week here, right? This is a really good level, too, right? Right here. This would be the lowest. This is tested. This one's not, right? So the only areas are here here and this low here. Right? So I've already kind of pointed those out with the arrows, the line, and then this level here, right? Yeah. Is there a broker that has 0 spreads and doesn't charge no commissions? No, no such thing. How would they make money? Did I look at this one here? Okay, 4-hour trend. You created a nice little base here is the thing, right? So if you did, yeah, you're putting some room, which makes sense, right? Because this is an obvious stop hunt, right? There's a base that's formed, so it's an obvious stop hunt. But you give it some room, so it could be good. Do I always use the RSI indicator for my entries? No, I don't ever use the RSI indicator for anything. It is a stupid indicator, just like every other indicator. RSI indicator is absolutely worthless if you know what you're doing. It tells you nothing. Just like every other oscillator. All oscillators tell you nothing. They're just easier to see for beginners. That's all. Hunter, your concepts are like pips of Persia. That's good, dude. Then he might know what he's talking about. Any Wyckoff people here? Wyckoff is... I talk about Wyckoff a lot. Wyckoff is overcomplicated fucking sweeps. Wyckoff is a fucking asshole. He made it way too complicated. And I explain Wyckoff in like super simple terms all the time. Don't feel like doing it right now. I do it all the time though. Ask me another day. Hit the subscribe, by the way, so you can jump back in. Like button here, too. Hunter, I only trade SR zones, but honestly, I'm interested in how you trade. Do you have videos showing similar strat to yours? I mean, I have some free videos on YouTube that kind of talk in general senses. I also have a course, but the course is not exactly how I trade. Also, it's older stuff, right? And to be fair, I will never release a course for how I trade now. It's too good. I don't want like some people might be able to figure it out through like just like free content or paid content or something like that. Some people might be able to figure it out, but that's not. I don't want the public to know what I do. It's too good. Okay. Any advice for scalpers? Trade 1 minute. I trade scalp. I scalp. The only thing with scalping is you have to be more paranoid about spreads, but it's the exact same. Spreads and you'll have higher commission. So you have to make sure you're really profitable. Scalpers have to be better than... Mind you, they don't have to wait as long, so they can be more impatient, but they have to be better traders than swing traders. And yeah, all I do is scalp. If I'm in a trade for longer than 30 minutes, then I'm wrong. Basically. How much do you risk per position? 1-2%. The AMD video is really good. I think, yeah, AMD is like an ICT type concept too. Just so you guys know. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. I know I'm not gonna take a trade here. I'm super hungry. I'm gonna order some food or make some food maybe. Gotta take a nap at some point here too. So yeah, thanks for watching here guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe if you're new here, and we'll see if we can bang out some actual trades one day. I think we only got that one or two trades this week. We got a crypto trade going on stream, but that was about it. Hey, and I'm not confident enough to take a trade here. It could really go either way on the euro. Yeah, thanks, Simple Trader. Yeah, appreciate it, guys. Much love. Thanks for the support. And I guess that's the end of the week, isn't it? Yeah, I hope you guys had a good trading week, and you'll have an even better one next week. I'll see you guys on Sunday, Asia Open. I might do a New York Open next week or something. See how I feel. Right, have a good weekend, guys. Yeah.